Okay, welcome back. Now what we're going to teach you how to do is how to recognize what key a song is in when you just look at the bar sheet music there. Okay, so it's easy to tell what key a song is in using the number of sharps and flats that are shown on the sheet music. For example, if you look in your study information, the song in the first image must be written in the key of C because there are no sharps or flats, which of course the sharp is a tic-tac-toe symbol, the flat is lowercase b. But there's no sharps or flats between the treble or bass clef and the time signature. It doesn't show any sharps or flats there on any of the lines. Now, let's look at the 12 different keys on your study information and see how many sharps and flats are in each key. Now, you notice in the key of C, there's never any sharps or flats. It just is straight. However, you notice in the image for the key of F, it has one flat on it. Okay, it has one flat. The key of F has one flat, which you know by playing the major scale. Okay, this means there are no B notes played in the key of F. Instead, they are all automatically flatted to B flat. Therefore, if you're playing a song in the key of F, which will always show one flat as the image on your study information shows, when you come to a B, you never play a B note, but you'll play a B flat note. Okay, all B notes are automatically flatted in the key of F, and of course the key of D minor, which is the relative minor scale as well. A couple more here. B flat has two flats. You're going to always flat B flat and E flat. You're going to flat all the B and E notes, in other words. E flat has three flats, so if you see three flats, you know it's the key of E flat or C minor. Of course, we're talking about major chords here, major scales. We're not talking about minor scales. So we're just going to refer to the major scales. So E flat has three flats. You flat all the B, E's, and A's. A flat has four flats. You flat all the B, E, A, and D's. And I'll explain a simple way to remember which notes to flat here in just a second, or sharp. D flat has five flats. Okay, so if you see five flats, it's D flat. G flat has six flats, and you're kind of just going to have to memorize these. There's a lot of them. There's just 12, but you're going to have to just memorize them. G flat has six flats. B, E, A, D, G, and C. And then C flat, or B, has seven flats. B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. Okay, now did you notice the pattern of the flats? It goes in a circle of four. So let's stop here for just a second and really focus on this. It's really simple. Now think bead, like the word bead, like you put around things you put around your neck. B, E, A, D, and then G, C, F. Bead, G, C, F. That's always the pattern of the flats. So if there's one flat, you always flat a B. If there's two flats, you flat B and E. If there's three flats, you always will flat B, E, and A. If there's four flats, you'll always flat B, E, A, and D. Bead, okay? And after that, you kind of just have to memorize five flats, bead, and G. Six flats, bead, G, and C. And seven flats, bead, G, C, and F. Now notice this is moving in a fourth movement. B to E, E to A to D, D to G, G to C, C to F. Bead, G, C, F. Circle of fourths, okay? Now all of these notes are a fourth movement apart. So let's think about this for a second. The song has one flat. What key are we in? Okay, that's the key of F. But what is the flatted note? Has to be B. Has two flats. That's the key of B flat. What are the flatted notes? B and E. Okay, is it making sense so far? The song has three flats. That's the key of E flat. So what are the flatted notes? B, E, and A. Song has four flats. That's the key of A flat. What are the flatted notes? Think bead. Remember B, E, A, and D. Song has five flats. That's D flat. What are the flatted notes? Bead, G. Okay, the song has six flats. That's the key of G flat. What are the flatted notes? Bead, G, and C. And the song has seven flats. That's the key of C flat or B. What are the flatted notes? Bead, G, C, F. Okay, pretty easy now. Now all you got to do is memorize, F, one flat, B flat, two flats. You just got to memorize that, and then the B, G, C, F thing will handle itself. Okay, back in just here a minute to show you the sharps as well. God bless.